Hello, this is Bino. Welcome back to my channel. Today what I wanted to do is try out that loop on my new pair of Arbor Andrew boots. This loop here. What I have right now is this Haas Velox with a loop. And I just, since this has a loop system, what I'm going to do is modify this a little and see and put a clip on it and just see if it's something that I like. If I happen to like it, I think I'll go out and get one of those Haas Velox quick steps. So with this Haas Velox, you have to put the strap over your boot. So with these new boots, it's kind of a tight fit, but it's manageable. And then you tighten it up a little, and this is kind of how it works. But so I'm gonna take that apart and do it, modify it just a little bit. All right, so what I'm gonna do is undo this strap here, and I think I'll use these D's as a post. It's probably not something that I should use very long because it's only to one side. It's probably not that strong, but I think for me to just try it out to see if it's something that I like, it'll work. So what I have here, bought some of this Velcro, and all you need to do is cut your pieces you want, the length, and just strap it on real quick, just to get the strap out of your way. Let's see here. There's one there. Figure I'll just put like 3 on. All right. Oops. Okay. Let's get that a little bit nicer. There. All right. Now that I got the Velcro on, I'm going to put this little clip in a shackle. So just for, a real quick test, let's see how it goes. All you got to do is put the shackle around the D-ring, tighten it up. I'm only going to do it hand tight, not going to go too high. And then this clip right here should be able to clip onto that little strap. All right, let's see how it works. All right, so what normally I would do is have the strap already on my foot. So what I kind of stowed it off to the side here on my other D-ring. That's the top, and then the bottom part I'll clip to the strap down here. So normally it would be around my whole foot. Anyway, that was pretty quick and easy. So the next thing I want to do is I'll tighten my line a little. I'm going to put my chest on the center becket, and then this one I'm going to put on the center becket also. So now I'm ready to go. I'm going to open the gate. What I like to do is when I'm going to use this system, I like to start with my foot ascender. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me see. Here we go. Get a little bit of slack out. Put a little bend in my line here so I can put my foot in. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go up, take a step off. All right, now I'm gonna put the knee ascender on, quick and easy. There we go. Wow, it's actually pretty comfortable. Yeah, it feels good. I don't have the pressure on the bottom of my foot to get to the top. You undo your foot a little, snap that off, and then go back down. Pretty cool. Then if I'm up in the tree, I could just disconnect this thing pretty quick. Put it away on my belt or something. Stow it away, let it hang, or put it in a bag. I think I really like that idea. All right. Yeah, I really like the way this works. Where I'm able to clip to the loop here. It really comes on and off pretty quick. So the other way, I'm kind of messing with my loop, and even sometimes when I'm in the tree and I'm walking around, if I decide to leave the loop on, it sometimes comes loose, and then I find it dangling. But yeah, I think I will invest in a quick step, a Haas Velox quick step, because I really like the way it works. The boot's real comfortable. You don't really feel the strap on it at all. It's just like you got nothing and you're able to walk up the tree. Yeah, so cool deal. I will end up buying myself one of those quick steps, and then I'll let you know what I think about it later on after I use it for a while. Now for these boots, wore them for a week already and no blisters. Actually, they're pretty darn comfortable. I do feel a little higher, I think, because there's a little bit more sole than what I'm used to, but so far comfortable, not over hot. Been kind of hot a couple days here and felt pretty good. Anyhow, I'll let you know what I think about these boots after I wore them for about maybe, for maybe 6 months down the road or so. Well, I hope you guys liked that video on me testing out that clip and step kind of a situation. Comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you like what we do, and by all means, share our videos with friends. All right, take care. See you next time.